How to fix Bank of America app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Bank of America app not working. So sometimes your Bank of America app may not work. So in this video, we'll talk about the most common reasons as to why this problem may be occurring and on how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you have to do is make sure you have a stable internet connection on your mobile device. Now, since Bank of America app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work, sometimes if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi or a mobile data, your app will not work, so simply make sure you have them. Now the second thing you can do is basically check whether your app is updated to the latest version or not. So as if your app is not updated to the latest version, some of the new fixes, bugs and features may not work, causing your app to not work at all. So the third thing you can do is basically close the app completely from the background and reopen it. And if you're on an Android device, you can also try to clear the cache memory of your app. Now, in most of the cases, this will work, but if your problem is still there, you can basically try to restart or reboot your entire phone, and also uninstalling and reinstalling the Bank of America app. Now, once you've done that, your problem should be solved, but if it's still there, you can basically try to contact the Bank of America support team and they will be able to help you from there. So that is basically how you fix your Bank of America app not working. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.